Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, go back home screen. Now open settings. So guys, first of all, airplane mode turn on and waiting few some seconds and turn off. So guys, now scroll down and tap on general and check update. Make sure that your phone is updated. If not updated, so guys, first of all update your iPhone, iPad. So guys, now tap on background apps refresh and tap on background app refresh and select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now go back and tap on date and time and turn on set automatically. So guys, now go back and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, disconnect VPN and if connected. So guys, now tap on transfer reset iPhone and tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. So guys, go back and tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and tap on Instagram apps and tap on offload and reinstall it again. So guys, after doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.